Hello, let me show you a few tips how you can fix that issue when your AirPods Pro 3 are not charging. So first of all, you have to check the contacts that are inside the charging case. Just over here, we can find connection contacts. So once you actually input one of your AirPod over here, it's sticking with this one and it starts charging. So you have to make sure that there is no any pieces of the dust or any mess inside this one. If you have something inside, I will just highly recommend you to try to clean it by using this stick. You can actually dump it a little bit with water and clean it properly. But also you have to just do the same with contacts on your AirPods Pro 3. Over here, you have to make sure that it is clean. And also you have to make sure that you reseat them. So sometimes when you just input them like so, you'll be not able to close the case or charge them at all. So just make sure that you put them correctly into the case like so, and make sure that you simply close them. Sometimes this issue could be also with a charging case USB-C input. So you have to take a look over here. If you have some kind of the mess over here, then I will also recommend you to use some kind of the household items, the wood or the plastic one, and simply remove anything that is inside. Just simply clean that like that. You have to just swipe this one left, just to the left side, like so. And sometimes you can also get this charging issues if, for example, your charging cable is broken, or the power adapter. So you can actually exchange your cable or power adapter, or additionally, you can simply try to charge them wireless. There's the support for the wireless charging, so you have to put it back on the wireless charger in case that the wired charging is not working properly. You can also try to perform a reset of AirPods Pro 3 by opening the charging case when the both earbuds are inside, and you have to 3 times repeat this one. You have to double tap on this touch sensor until this indicator starts blinking red. And honestly, that's actually everything. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.